it is the Diwali time in India, and people are bursting firecrackers around, and so you'll be hearing those noises, and that's okay. It's festival time, and today we're learning about the insertion sort. Insertion sort in Python. Insertion sort is basically an algorithm, is a sorting algorithm, and wherein we actually consider cards in your hand, like placed like 2 3 4 1 in your right hand. 2 3 4 1. So you'll notice this one should be placed at the leftmost end, I guess, or rightmost. Yeah. So leftmost end from my side, and so you'll know that, and basically that's what insertion sort algorithm implements. And today we'll be looking implemented in Python, our favorite programming language. So yeah, let's start. So the basically the algo goes as like this. Like let's start coding actually. Num list. So list num is equal to input, enter how many elements you want. Python 3 doesn't use raw input, I guess. It doesn't work in Python 3. Print enter numbers in array. For I in range int num n is equal to input num. We are taking just this is simple inputting the numbers in a list, nothing else. Num list dot append dot int n. Alrighty, so let's print the array. Oh, sorry, the list. Python 3. So let's start now with the main algo. For I in range 1 comma int, because the first element is always sorted. D is equal to I. This is the index of the last element of the sorted list. D minus 1. So we insert the value on finding that the element is lesser than the compared element. All right. We keep comparing until we find the exact position of the number. So let's now print sorted array. Yeah, so and our thing is ready. Now let's check it. Python 3.insert .py 4 4 3 1 0 num list
num list here. Oh no. I just get confused between lists and arrays sometimes. 4, 4, 1, 2, 0. So yeah, we got the output, and that's cool. Insertion sort is one of the most basic algorithms, and cool.